Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Dream to English. In this particular video, I am going to discuss phrasal verbs that start with Q and R letter in English alphabet. So make sure do watch this video till the end. And one more thing, I have an amazing gift for you. This is an ebook. By the help of this ebook, you can enhance pronunciation and vocabulary of your child following 8 tips which I have mentioned in this ebook. So don't forget to avail this free gift using given link in description box. My name is Dr. Ratan Patel and I am an English grammar trainer. I help in improving English grammar. So without making further delay, let's get started. So here are some phrasal verbs that start with Q and R letter in English alphabet. So first one is quarrel with, to disagree with somebody, something. असहमत होना, मानने से इनकार कर देना. Nobody could quarrel with your conclusions. Next one is read out, to read something using your voice, especially to other people. बोल कर पढ़ना. Shall I read this out to you? Next one is rub off, to remove something or to be removed by rubbing. रगड़कर साफ करना. She rubbed off the dead skin. Next one is rub out, to remove the marks made by a pencil etc using a rubber. रबर से मिटाना. You can rub out the wrong letters from your copy. Next one is rule out, a state that something is not possible or that something is not suitable. योग्य नहीं मानना, के प्रश्न से बाहर मानना. This theory cannot be ruled out altogether. Next one is run after, to run, to try to catch somebody, something. पकड़ने की कोशिश करना. He is always running after younger women. Next one is run out, to use up or finish a supply of something. समाप्त हो जाना. We ran out of fuel. Next one is run over, of a vehicle or its driver. To knock a person or an animal down and drive over their body or a part of it. कुचल देना, रौंद डालना. 2 children were run over and killed. Next one is run through, to use up or spend money carelessly. उड़ा देना, खर्च कर देना. She ran through the entire amount within 2 years. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any question or doubt in your mind, put your question or doubt in comment section for more informative videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.